Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechOns. So today this Instagram team launched its one of the new updates for their Android as well as iOS platforms. So what is that update? And this is called as Avatar and which is similar to the Facebook Avatar. So anyway, if you like to get this feature, first of all check it if your Instagram app is updated to the new version or not. So once you check it and then click to open it. So now in this homepage section, in bottom it shows some icons, but you can press this profile picture icon and it shows my Insta personal details. So here you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon and it shows on drop down window. So here you can go to settings. So next I try to access account settings. So finally I get to this avatar update. So just click to open it. So if you already create the avatar in Facebook, you can use it for this Instagram. So otherwise, if you like to create the new one, just press no create new avatar. And they ask for my skin tone, like my skin color. So you can select black, white or mid-range. And click to next. So next you can choose your favorite hairstyle and face shape, face lines, eye shape and some other things. So once you complete your editing and finally click to done, so you can click to save changes. And it shows your avatar is being updated. So you can click to next. And they ask for sync your profile info to use your avatar across apps. So if you select sync profile info, your Facebook avatar is replaced with this new one. So otherwise you can select not now. So finally my Instagram avatar is successfully created. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechOns, and thanks for watching.